Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to switch from themes on Canva. So let's get started. You need to open your Canva. Now if you look at my theme, let me show you the themes I am. Click on the theme. Presently now, sorry guys, this is the theme I am. Come to this tree line, you're gonna see your theme, and okay, you can see this is the current theme I am. So if I want to switch to another theme, what I need to do is just click on this thing, just click on it and it's going to bring all your theme. You can see all your theme is here. So what I need to do is just click on this. I'll click on another theme that I want to switch to, and automatically it is going to switch to the theme that I wanted to switch to. So you can switch from one theme to another very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.